I'm Maria Germann and I just finished a PhD at Newcastle University in Newcastle upon Tyne. See, I was going to say spinal cord injury because that's why we're here, but it is a lot more basic than that. We just do like motor systems and the different like motor pathways that go from the brain through the spinal cord, and it's basically the functions of these different pathways and also how we can then help in function and rehabilitation for any sort of injury. Not specifically spinal cord injury, but that's just obviously one of the many things that can go wrong. Basically, our rationale is the more we know about these pathways, how they work, how they develop and how they recover from injury, the more that knowledge can help with treating, or at least help to treat and help functional recovery in the spinal cord injury community as well. Honestly, it started all the way back in my undergrad, which I did at the Swiss Federal Institute in Switzerland. There is a large focus on just motor rehabilitation, and it was really good to get that insight very early on. And yeah, I just kept at it because it was great. Well, I just think it's really great that there is a mix between the clinicians, the basic researchers and the all academic researchers and the actual people concerned, because a lot of the time you are at conferences and it is one of those things. You have either peer support groups for just the community, you have a lot of academic research, obviously, which is just the academics within themselves. You have clinicians and medical staff talking amongst themselves. Obviously, they have the actual hands-on experience. And yeah, I just find a lot of the times the dialogue between the groups is missing. And this one here is just so great because everyone's here and all the talks are mixed and the audience is mixed, and so the questions you get are just quite different and I think more insightful. So I was privileged enough to do a very small research study with actually like chronic spinal cord injury survivors, and it was COVID as well, so you know, we thought basically nothing's going to happen, like maybe I get like 2 or 3 people that I like know personally or something, but the turnout was actually, it really amazed me, especially during these like extra hard times. So the fact that they're just, you know, obviously they're living already with these motor disabilities, and then the added, like they were at risk of COVID, and that they still like were so interested in what we're doing and just prepared to put themselves out there for a new research and new like clinical trials, but also just leave the house at a time where a pandemic was raging. It was just amazing to see, really. So I'm not sure if that was a message or a thanks, but yeah, no, it's just, I think they're really amazing people, actually. Yeah.